Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by checking prerequisites and creating install media. Make sure your PC meets basic specs and back up personal files so nothing is lost. Once done, download the Windows 10 ISO and use the Media Creation tool or Rufus to write it to an 8 GB USB drive. This creates a bootable installer. You do this now because a clean, prepared installer avoids mid-process errors and speeds the setup. Restart the PC and boot from the USB to start the installation. You'll now follow the installer prompts and make key choices. When asked, choose language and keyboard, then click Install Now. Enter your product key or skip if you'll activate later. Once done, pick Custom Install to do a clean install or upgrade to retain apps. Choose Custom to avoid legacy issues. Make sure to select the correct drive and format it as NTFS if replacing the OS. This removes old system files. After selecting the target partition, click Next and the installer copies files and restarts automatically. Finish by completing the out-of-box experience. Set region, create or sign into a Microsoft account, and adjust privacy options. These steps personalize the system and enable updates. Next, install chipset, graphics, and network drivers from the PC Maker, then run Windows Update twice to fetch cumulative patches. Once done, restore your backed up files and reinstall apps. If activation or driver issues happen, make sure you're online. Verify the product key and use the activation troubleshooter. These fixes resolve most post-install problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.